Work out the following integral. The integral of 3x plus 26 over x plus 4 x minus 3 dx. Here, this is a quadratic which has already been factorised into two linear factors, and we've got a linear factor on the top, so we should try to do partial fractions. So, split into partial fractions, we're going to get 3x plus 26 over x plus 4 times x minus 3. So what we split this into a over x plus 4 plus b over x minus 3. And then we can say that 3x plus 26 is equal to a times x minus 3 plus b times x plus 4. And then what we do is we try and make these equal to 0. So I'm going to let x equal to minus 4, because minus, that you can see, gives me 3 times minus 4 times 26 on that side. A times minus 4 minus 3. And here we get minus 4 plus 4, which gives me nothing, so the b will disappear. So we're going to get, this becomes 14, this becomes minus 7, and this is 0. And therefore a must be equal to minus 2. Right, you could pause the video now to see what you need to put this equal to in order to make it equal to 0. You should be letting x equal to 3. So on the left-hand side, you're going to get 3 times 3 plus 26 is equal to a, 3 minus 3, plus b, 3 plus 4. This gives you 35 is equal to 7b, and therefore b is equal to 5. So now we'll rewrite the integral out. So we'll say the integral of that is equal to the integral of this with our values of a and b. So the integral of 3x plus 26 over x plus 4 x minus 3 is going to be the integral of 5 over x minus 3 minus 2 over x plus 4. I swapped these over because this one was negative and this one was positive, but make sure you swap the denominators around correctly as well. So this will be 5 ln of x minus 3 minus 2 ln of x plus 4 plus c. So this has been a video to show you how to integrate a quotient where you have two linear factors in the denominator and using partial fractions. So I hope you've understood, and I thank you very much for watching.